Hey guys, my name is Nada and welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Star Stable once again, and oh my god guys, when I first logged in it was so bright. I almost got blinded. This is my first time on since the event has come, and it's safe to say I didn't expect this to happen, but it's quite cool seeing this. We aren't going to do anything based on the winter event this year, but we will be doing like the normal quests and all that sort of stuff, so yeah. Also, chat, I think I'm cooked because with the Trailblazer track I didn't realise there was one, and I need all this tack, bro. I don't care as much about the clothes, but I care about like the tack. Luckily it's like the earliest bits, so I should be able to get it all if I grind enough, but that'll take me hours to do, but you know, it's fine. We're just gonna do all of our dailies and head to the bridge, then we will start with some quests, guys. I will either speed this up or remove this entirely from the video, but you know, I don't want to make you sit here for like half an hour waiting for me to do all that. I want to turn the music down. Okay, here we go. Do I have enough water? Yes, I do. Nice, let's go. Excuse me, I went through that. Oh my gosh, this girl has the demigirl tail bow on her sorry, their horse. That's so cool. Okay guys, we are here with Donald the Builder. I forgot we actually had like proper quests to do with him, so let's do that now. Oh, I love how they put snow on the bridge. That's really cool. Let's do the logs to planks quest. I swear, I love the snow feature so much, bro. It's so cool. That horse kind of looks like Tin Can. Oh, I hate the fact you have to dismount first. Okay. Oh, what? What is the follow and stay command again? Is this it? Follow command, yes. There are so many fumes. I think the machine scared him. Let's go talk to Donald. Let me see one of those planks, Naomi. This plank looks excellent. You really are good with that machinery. Now the machinery needs to rest for the day. They are old and rusty, so I don't want to run them too hard or they might break down completely. If you can't wait until tomorrow, there is always Billy Bulldozer. Follow the road up the hill and you will find him. He will sell you treated planks, but it's too expensive for me. Now you can use the treated planks to fix the bridge. Just look for a good place on the bridge to put them. Bye for now. Okay, let's go do that. I think I have to dismount first, unfortunately. Why am I the one being left to repair a bridge? I'm not professionally trained in this. Donald shouldn't even be a builder at this point, bro. Okay, he has a new assignment for us. There, I can see you've laid out some of the planks. That was very good. Now, we should start with the next repairs. We need to be sure that the beams that hold the bridge up are properly secured to each other. For this we need nails and lots of them. The good news is that I had lots of nails in my truck. The bad news is that they fell out the back on the way here. It was so bumpy they just flew out all over the place. I think we should be able to collect the nails that we need pretty quickly, then we can get back to securing the beams again. Or maybe you can do it? I don't think I can manage to go out on that bridge at all. Ride out to the road to Moreland Stables and see if you can find all the nails that fell off the truck, Naomi. Good luck. You're legit just forced to do everyone's chores for them. And I don't know why, but this game is like so addicting in that sense. It's also like the storyline is good as well. At least in my opinion. I know some people don't like it, but that's their own personal opinions. Why are these nails okay here? Have I gone past the nails? I have. Oh, they're up here. Did you find the nails, Naomi? You did? Great. Why do you look so unhappy? Almost all of them are bent. Oh no. What should we do now? Hey there, Naomi. We really need new nails to be able to fix the bridge. If we only have these bent nails, it's going to take a very long time to fasten the beams so they are properly secured. You know this part of Jorvik. Do you have any idea where we might get some new nails in Moorland? The blacksmith? He can make nails? You say he can make anything? Okay, we don't really have a choice, but I'm hoping he can make nails as good as the industrial ones I brought with me. It might be more than he can manage. Don't underestimate Conrad, Donald. I trust you. I hope it goes well. We'll see you later. Why does he underestimate Conrad? Conrad's actually so good, bro. Oh wait, I could just pick up. I kind of forgot about that, not gonna lie. I'm ignoring you. I have no interest in you. Greetings, Naomi. Nails? You want simple, normal nails? This is a little below my level of craftsmanship, Naomi. Sir, I will fight you. I'll fight you. Well, I accept your assignment, Naomi. I can make some nails for you so that you can fix the bridge to the Harvest Counties. Some of the world's finest metal is mined from the Greydew Mountains, and it is a noble cause to restore a safe pathway to Jarlaheim and Jorvik stables. Listen to me, Naomi. These will be the most amazing nails that Jorvik has ever seen. You will be able to fasten anything together with these nails, and they will never loosen, I swear it. But to begin a masterpiece, we need raw material, and only the best will do. Ride over to the Damascus mine and break off some iron ore I can use. Ride over and come back when you have enough. Okay, let's go, I guess. How is there snow in here? This ore is exactly what I need to make the very best nails. Greetings, Naomi. Your nails are almost ready, but in order to finish them, I need the last and most important ingredient, ash from Garnock's Fury. Naomi, near me is an unmarked and simple box. It contains the most powerful ash in the world, ash from the Garnock's Fury. This dust is what's going to transform your nails what's going to transform your nails from farmers into kings. Bring me the box, Naomi, and be careful. Bring me the box, Naomi, and be careful. I went through great hardship to bring that box home. Okay. But if it's so special, why do you just have it laying around for anyone to take? Good, Naomi. Now, let's forge the nails. The Garnock ashes have been added, but for their power to work and bond with the nails, my fire will have to burn hotter than ever before. Only when it burns with the heat of the sun will the ashes and the iron join together in the strongest of bonds. If the fire needs to burn as hot as the sun, we need to get some fuel for it, Naomi. Behind my house, on the ledge facing the mountain, is a store of the finest logs cut in Moorland. Carry them here and put them on the fire. When they are burning hot like the sun, the nails should be ready for the final strikes with the hammer. When that is done, I will be ready to deliver these small masterpieces into your hands. Okay, let's go. Guys, you didn't see anything. I definitely didn't just run into a tree. Is it these? Yes, it is. Jumping speeds it up. I know I could just dismount, but I can't be bothered. I have to do it 3 times. Nah, that's torture. I'm gonna die before I can do that. That is not fair. I want to carry more than one. Guys, hear me out. I know this is weird, but the smell of smoke legit be like the best smell to ever exist. I don't know about you guys, but it smells pretty nice. Look at these nails, Naomi. Please accept these nails and use them with forethought and wisdom. In the wrong hands, these nails could be more powerful than the sharpest of swords. Use these on the bridge you are repairing, and watch how it gets stronger and stronger with every nail you use. If you need more, come back and I will help you. If you are impatient, you can certainly buy poor quality nails from that Billy Bulldozer. He is near the bridge building site. Take care, Naomi. Use nails here, okay. Hopefully that'll be all we have to do for the bridge today, because I really want to start talking to Syndra and get her into Fort Pinter. Quartz Hazel is refusing to jump obstacles that were a breeze yesterday. Restore Quartz Hazel's confidence with an easier challenge. Finally suspect Quartz Hazel jump the obstacles. You need to be more confident and assertive. Do something different. The trail might be nice. I'll do the trail. Oh my god! I don't want to dismount. Oh, 2 left, okay. Okay, none left. Let's go. I'm finally done with the nails. Now the beams are securely fastened, Naomi. You know what? When the bridge is whole again, I'm going to go back to Jotunheim as fast as I can, and the only stop I'm going to make is at the inn on the other side of the bridge. I wonder if it is still open. The bridge collapsing must have been a disaster for them. But anyways, back to work. It is time for us to start the next step of the repairs. We need to seal the bridge properly so it doesn't get any future cracks or ice damage again. Unfortunately, we can't start right away. How can I put this nicely? I guess I could say I have good news and bad news. The good news is that I have received extra money from the council to only use eco-friendly material in the construction, so I had lots of wonderful vegetation-based caulking. Good, right? Unfortunately, now the caulking is gone. It was on the back of the truck, but when I looked 5 minutes ago it wasn't there anymore. Someone must have taken it. Wait, look over there. That looks like some of the caulking on the ground. The bag must have leaked. It's a clue, Naomi. Follow the clues and find the thief. Probably like a bird or something. Birds. I know it. What? Birds have eaten up the caulking? Yes, it did contain lots of sunflower seed, but it was a whole bag, so how did they manage to fly away with it? There was a lot of birds. Yes, some birds can be pretty clever, you know. They must have all helped to fly away with it, I guess. It sounds really strange, doesn't it? Anyways, it is what it is. Does that mean I won't get to see my beautiful Jarlaheim again? How are we going to get caulking now, Naomi? I have an idea what to do. How am I going to get home to Jarlaheim? You know, from my house I can hear the horses at Jorvik stables in the morning. It would be wonderful to be able to hear them again. Sigh. What? You can make caulking? Okay. How? Miss Holdsworth? No, I'm not familiar with her, unfortunately. She's good with anything eco-friendly. Okay, I don't really know, but we don't really have a choice. If you think this is a good idea, then you should just ride over and ask her. Good luck, Naomi. Oh god, there's so many animals here. Eco-friendly caulking? I haven't made that before, but it sounds exciting. Okay guys, this has been quite a long video today. I'm going to edit stuff out and shorten it, obviously, but I don't want it to get too long, so I'm afraid that's all for today. I hope to see you all next time, and that should be in a few days maybe. I'm going to try and get a lot more consistent with my uploads. But, yeah, I will see you all next time. Bye-bye!